Well, if you are living on social media, you might know about my next educator shout out, who is Cindy Blackburn. I don't know if you know Cindy. I have had the pleasure of meeting her in person, interacting with her. She is just a ray of sunshine, constantly happy and excited. I'm so happy that she's back, living her passion. If you don't know Cindy Blackburn, I found out about her when I started following her on Twitter at Miss Cindy PYP. And she was a classroom teacher creating dynamic resources as the PYP. If you're not familiar with that, that's the primary use program in the IB system. We're both in that system, and she was really dynamic in creating resources that were manageable and tangible for teachers. So much so that her content led her to her current role in creating content for Toddle, which is a wonderful application management system to help with teacher planning and development. And what's really been fascinating has been watching her evolve in her creation process and her passion. She creates a lot of resources, such as the exhibition planner that's guided, that's on Toddle. She has created so many resources. My favorite, I have two favorites that she does. Well, her hugs are amazing. She's always so positive and affirming. And when I engage with her, she's always reminding me about all the awesome things I'm doing. And I'm like, what about you, girl? And the two projects that I really adore, that she's taken a leap of faith, is her just creating random videos about her life and what she's doing and thinking. I just think that's so authentic and real. And the second is the School Leaders Project, where she's talking to different leaders on her podcast and having authentic conversations with different leaders. And I think that that is so needed right now, where we need to hear good voices. Like I just saw literally 2 minutes ago her recent conversation with Trevor McKenzie, and I just think we need more of this in our life. And I just want to say to Cindy, keep doing what you're doing, girl. Every time I see a post from you, it puts a smile on my face, because I love how you are sharing your unique voice with the world. Keep doing it, girl, and I can't wait to see you soon. Love ya. Bye.